Yeah.
By the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warning, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anthony, Burkett, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Gilbert, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Gerson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Royan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wheat, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Rosen, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. The Raleigh, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, April 11th, 2023. Yesterday's high temperature was 75 degrees. This high was 3 degrees above the normal high of 72.
Yeah. A required weekly test for more counties, so, okay.